click on Control, and then click on Application Groups. Next, click on the application group name for which you want to test your profile allocation rules on. Then, click on the simulator and enter values for the required fields, which is application, IP address, time, and unique user ID. The corresponding rules will be highlighted below in the profile allocation table. With Roku applications that have this particular IP address at this time and specific date, and that have this unique user ID, this is a profile that will be returned. As another example, let's look at iOS devices. For iOS devices, where all of the other conditions remain the same as before, now this is a new profile that will be returned. It is important to test the behavior of these profile allocation rules under different conditions to ensure that these rules behave as expected. And this is exactly what the simulator feature allows you to do.